Today we're going to look at order of operations. When you're given an algebraic equation, this is the order that you're going to follow in terms of simplifying or finding your answer. So you've got BEDMAS. B, you're going to evaluate expressions in brackets. Next, you're going to do your exponents. Division or multiplication, whichever comes first as you go from left to right in your equation. And of course, addition or subtraction, and that is also from left to right. Okay, now let's have a look here. I have a couple of examples that we're going to do together. We'll do them with you. Let's get rid of that. Now, okay. So, first one here. 15 subtract 6 divided by 3. Not too bad. You see there are no brackets and there are no exponents. So we're going to go with our division or multiplication as we see it from left to right. And that's going to be this right here, so it's going to be rewritten as, I'm going to do each step. 15 subtract 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, and of course 15 subtract 2 is 13. Next one, we've got a bracket, 4 plus 7, and that's in parentheses or brackets, times 3. So we're going to, again, brackets, so we're going to simplify what's in our brackets first. So 4 plus 7 is 11, and again I'm going to write down each step as you see it, and of course there's only one operation left. 11 times 3, and we end up with 33. Okay, a little more complicated. 8 plus 9 divided by 3 times 4. So if you go back to your BEDMAS, putting those on the same line, brackets, we don't have any. Exponents, that's not a very good E, is it? Exponents, we do. So I'm going to simply rewrite. And you know, it's never a bad thing. How long does it take you? Not very long. To simply rewrite. And by doing this, I find you eliminate careless mistakes. So our exponent here simplified, 4 times 4 is going to give us 16. Oops, get my pen going here. 16. Okay. I don't like that. Let's make that a little lighter. Okay, perfect. So now, brackets, exponents, we're good. Now we're going to look at division or multiplication as we see it from left to right. So we're going to look at this one here first. So we're going to rewrite 8 plus 9 divided by 3 is 3. And we multiply that by 16. Next is going to be this section of our expression. And so we're going to have 8 plus 3 times 16, and that's 48. And 8 plus 48, 8 8s are 16, carry 1. So we have 56. Now, our fourth example, we have exponents and we have brackets. So let's go through brackets first. So we're going to simplify 2. 4 subtract 7, that's going to make this a minus 3, and that's cubed, plus 4. Negative 2 subtract 3 is going to give us negative 5, and that is squared. Okay, so we've done our brackets. Exponents. I'm just going to take this and make it look like this. Minus 3 cubed is going to look like minus 3 times minus 3. That should be a minus. It's not. There it is. Times minus 3. Like I said earlier, it doesn't hurt to write this out. It's just an extra step. Plus 4. And negative 5 squared is going to look like this. Okay, so now it kind of makes us to go back to our brackets. You don't have to do it this way. You can cube negative 3 and you can square negative 5, but initially I would certainly recommend you doing it this way. And you'll see why. It's certainly going to hopefully eliminate some careless mistakes. So negative 3 times negative 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and negative times negative is going to make this a positive. So I'm just going to, again, write it again. So it's going to look like this. 9 times negative 3 plus 4. Negative 5 times negative 5 is going to give us 5 5s are 25, and that's positive. 9 times negative 3. 9 times 3 is 27, so that's going to look like this. 2, and that's going to be negative. My negatives aren't coming out very good there. Negative 27 plus, and 4 times 25 gives us 100. 2 times negative 27 is negative 54, and that's going to be plus 100. And when we simplify, there are no more brackets. We've done our dividing and our multiplying, and we're into our addition and subtraction, and this will give us a final answer of 46. So I hope that helps. Good luck.